The Western Marine Command of Nigerian Customs Service has handed over a total of 36 live African parrots to officials of Nigerian Park Service in Lagos. The custom boss says the officers intercepted the endangered species being smuggled through the Badagry Creek overseas air route to Ghana.
Intercepted a boat. They become so curious. Why so curious about this boat? Why should this boat be here around 12 to 1 in the midnight? On getting closer, they heard the sound of birds. A mini search was conducted from the boat, and they discovered it contained live parrots.
The customs attributed the seizure to dedication of duty by the CG of Nigerian Customs Service.
Careful examination will discover we have 36 live African grey parrots heading towards Ghana, according to the suspect. Must we continue in this? Must we watch unsatisfied traders to send our animal into extinct? We will not allow it.
He called on Nigerians to help the service to stop smuggling activities. Egiseme Itinye, AIT News, Lagos.